filming. So what's the name of the house?
This is the Lyndon house.
Isn't that a happy wife or something?
Yeah.
Oh, look at it.
Oh, yeah.
It's real pretty.
Come in. Wow.
Look.
Oh, yeah. Look at that.
That's real pretty. Now, what would this be called here?
Oh, that's a soup tureen. Look at the side there.
They don't make wood furniture like this anymore.
Isn't that gorgeous?
This is what I'm talking about. Look at the camera. Look at me.
Yeah.
Look how it brings out the color. Oh, and these are all different flowers on each of these panels.
Yeah.
Did you notice that?
Look at that.
Truly. I guess this is a miniature version of Biltmore. Oh, what? Okay. Two staircases. Why two staircases?
Oh, one for the kitchen help to serve and bring things.
Ah, and here's the breezeway. Here's the breezeway.
Yeah, hold on
Like
just
in
a
planes.
second.
Here you've got your, I guess, water basin. Isn't that a happy girl? Sarcasm. Okay, good. So they keep it like a Biltmore and in planes. God, look at this. They do not build houses like this anymore, guys. Keep that in mind. I mean, look at this. This is why I love historic architecture. It's because what they did in terms of the houses, ornateness is no longer an art form in building, and it's unfortunate. I mean, look at that gilded curtain covers. You don't see that anymore. Truly incredible. Truly. Just to let you know where we are. The Ware Lyndon house. Look at the violin. Very, very pretty. Oh, and note, the staircase here is looking up, and then there is one here is looking up. Oh, hello. Oh, that's a pretty light fixture. Look up. No, look
Yes. Look at that. Oh, that is pretty.
up.
Oh, look at
Look. Oh, no, look in the room behind you.
Oh, lovely. Yeah.
Old. That would have probably been from steam heating. I'd say they've got.
This thing's from Athens. Look at this.
You talk about Athens, remember? That confirms what they said. They said that we had streetcars here. They weren't lying. It's too bad they don't have one of the streetcars saved, though.
Yes.
Oh, well. Oh, is this silver or pewter? Oh, no, it's silver.
That's silver.
Wow.
Look at the children's chairs.
Hey, let me look. Georgia Bulldog stuff.
Ah.
Early. Jakes.
Yes.
You owe me something.
Oh, that's gorgeous, isn't it?
Pilot probably during the wars.
That's an airport's name for. Yeah.
Ooh. I didn't know a tornado hit Athens. Whoa.
Hello, how are you? Yes, I am.
Truly incredible. Truly beyond incredible. Oh, didn't know that bottle was purple. Huh. Oh, okay, that's nice. They don't make them like that anymore, that's for sure. All metal. Keep in mind, y'all, half of the stuff they have in here, y'all, they just do not
Now we're
knock.
going to look at this room.
I looked already.
Oh, the one over here. Did you get the mold and?
Yes. 1868, they're 2 years after the Civil War. No, excuse me, 3 years after the Civil War ended. Oh, look at the china. They don't make those anymore. Ooh. There's some more photos. That building there still exists, I think. Surprised they don't have a book on Athens, and then now they probably would. Oh, there's the courthouse. The water tower's probably gone now. You got some Civil War artifacts, belt buckles, bullets, probably artifacts from the family, if I'm not mistaken. Stuff from a soldier and a surgeon. Sorry if I'm just skimming over this, y'all, but... Ugh, that sounds fun. Early syringe. That would not be fun. Yeah, I prefer the modern syringes over
Yes.
that. That was back when they just said, shut up and it's over.
This was known as the Little Skillet neighborhood.
Is this the only remaining house?
I don't know.
There is a news article of a tornado that hit
White
Athens.
House, no, the White House is still here, I think.
Electrotherapeutic machine?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, and to think we now know what the mental diseases are and how to cure them. Well, some of them. I'm amazed at all the Civil War artifacts I got. Now, I'm pretty sure these were probably from some of the families, I'm sure.
Could be, people might have donated this.
Or found it. A lot of these bottles look like they were found. I'm just stunned at what all they've got. Now, isn't that a happy couple?
Yes. People didn't smile for photographs then.
Hence why I'm saying that, y'all. And check this out. Oh, this one of the old posts from outside, maybe?
No, I think it's from one of the stairwells. What does it say?
Returned to the house in 1999. Keep in mind, this was probably forged here in Athens. This is what I mean. They just do not do this anymore with houses, and it's just really shaming when you think about it. Truly.
Oh. The molding and the piano.
I got it.
Okay.
Hang on, look. Look. What's in the closet?
Yes, it's locked for a reason.
Obviously, they don't have a lock on the bar.
That's all right. The door will open and be fine.
That reminds me of like where... Oh, I didn't notice this. Look. This is marble or granite.
Or is it wood painted to look like marble?
Probably painted, but you'd think...
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure when the house was originally built, they probably did have marble baseboards. So it could have. They probably did. Oh yeah, this is a piano. Look here. Look at that. It's like quite a unique piano. I've not seen that kind before. Oh, here's a reference. You guys in my high school would have no idea what that is. It's a feather ink pen. Get wrecked. Kerosene desk lamp. I really wish they'd at least bring this back in at least one modern house. It'd be nice.
This is called another parlor.
Hold on. Oh, look at that. Quite an ornate mirror, don't you
and
think?
That's called a hall tree. That's where people would hang their hats.
Do they still make these, or is it not?
Yeah, they still make them.
And look at I like the glass, how it curves.
Yes. And look at that, all that wrought iron is just gorgeous.
It's a 19th century pattern, but they have, I think, one piece of the original ironwork.
Okay, here.
Yeah, I can only get this room from the other side. Oh, look at this vase. You talk about ornate, that's incredible. I mean, see, this is what I mean. They just,
Yes.
why they don't simply
Costs too much.
well, back then it's because people actually, I think, cared about, the grandeur. Now I don't, unfortunately, it's not that way, and it's really shaming when to think about that, you know what?
People have gone for smaller, simpler houses.
I'd like to have at least a few characteristics of some of the old ones into mine if I ever wanted mine built.
This is marble.
Yeah, now you see, that's what I mean. I bet you it was the same exact type of marble that was used. I'm pretty sure if the house was renovated over the years, none of the marble survived, so that's probably why. Oh, in case y'all are wondering, these are what the light switches look like.
Yeah, that's right. The house, when I was a little girl, my grandmother's house was built in like the early 1900s, and she had light switches like that.
Oh, you know what this is? Music box. Mm-hmm. Oh, now look at, now actually, in a sense, it's an early record player.
Yes.
I wonder, could we ask them and see if this still works? Because, I mean, if they have the discs, then that makes you wonder. I'm sure it would probably still work, but I don't even know if this is what that is. I know it's a music box, but I don't know what it actually is called. See, it's a Regina. How
do you spell it?
Regina.
Regina.
Hang on, they have some information. They don't make it like that anymore, and this is how they listen to music. Keep that in mind. God, that is amazing that they found all these. I bet you the ones that are copper are the ones that they were actually able to save. And for all you women nowadays, this is what the housewife probably wore on their wedding day. I'm being serious, okay? God, this is incredible. I mean, look at that. That's probably wallpaper, probably velvet wallpaper, or hand-painted patterning on it. There's no doubt in my mind. You talk about an ornate wedding dress?
Yes.
Wow.
Busy, busy, busy.
No kidding.
And you get the picture of the lady wearing it.
Quite ornate. What time did the clock stop on? I can't tell.
25 till 4.
Huh. I'm guessing this was probably a coal fireplace, considering they have a bin there. Unless that's either an ash bin, I don't know. One of the two, I really don't know. We may need to look for a book that talks about some of the buildings in Athens before and after, because I know a few of them still exist, because they showed a picture. Hang on.
This was pleasant. Let's go back to the side.
Hang on, do they allow people outside?
I don't know. I think their office is up there.
Well, it doesn't hurt to check. It's not roped off, and they're not saying you can't come up here. So, yeah, you can come up here. Oh. Quite an unusual arrangement.
Yes.
Now tell me, everyone, what do you see is wrong with this?
Yes. Oh, this is that stairway that goes
I know,
down.
but at one point, this wouldn't have been here. Keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. This wouldn't have been here. Hang on, can you... I know at one point you could see through these locks.
Oh.
I mean, at least that's what they showed in the movies depicting them. But see, this is what I mean. I like this woodwork. They really just don't put any effort in anymore, and that's unfortunate.
Times they are changing.
Yes, indeed. Here's the lamp post. The lamp is seen from above. As you can see, they've made many, many moderations to this house over the years. This is almost like Biltmore in a sense.
Yes, it is.
Only difference, I don't think they don't mind you filming. Biltmore, they don't let you. And they just built the art museum after, around this. Oh, that'd be a neat clock. You can see it's a crank type clock, so it would have had all the clockwork
Got a
gears.
key. Yeah, light it with a key.
Yeah. Oh, inkwell and ink pen.
Yes, look at that.
It's a feather tipped one.
Quill is what you call
Yeah,
it.
I actually have a few bird feathers I could probably use as
Yes.
standing quills if they wanted
That's
to.
right. Oh, look at the sewing machine.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's an early one. Is that Singer? Is it a Singer?
I can't tell.
It's an early one. I know that much. Hang on, there's the label. Let me see. Why would you need a mirror with a bar going through it? That's my question.
That I don't know.
Oh, did you notice this? Look at this.
Yes, look at the baby cradle.
Talk about being born